Last year, a friend of mine lost all his flocks simply because he was giving the wrong dosage to his broiler birds. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to calculate and get the right dosage for your birds. I'm Chijin running from Parfiest Academy, and I've been into poultry farming for several years now. It's very simple. All you need to do is divide the total gram by the total amount of water. Let's say 50 gram by 50 liters of water. What you'll get is 1. Then times it by the amount of liter you want to give to your birds. Let's say you want to give your birds 8 liters. Then that means 50 gram divided by 50 liters of water is equals to 1. Then times that 1 times 8 is equals to 8. You see it. Then if it comes to a feed, as in you want to mix the drugs in your feed, it's still the same thing. 50 gram divided by 50 kg or 100 gram divided by 50 kg, you will get 2. Then you times it by how many kg you want to give to your birds. For example, if 100 gram divided by 50 kg, that you will get 2. Then if you are to give 2 kg to your birds, that's 2 you get times by the 2 kg you want to give, or the 4 kg, or any amount of kg you want to give to your birds, then you get the answer. It's just very simple. The same applies for the syrup ones, like in 50 ml or 100 milliliter divided by 100 liters of water, then you get 1. Then you times it by the amount of liter you want to give to your birds. That's all.